My name is Neil Saville. I'm Director of Software Engineering at AWS. Inside of Region Services, which is the organization that I am a part of, we run global expansion for AWS. So what that means is we build new data centers in new regions, and we grow AWS's footprint across the world. When I started AWS, I was actually hired to figure out how we were going to build one of the first government clouds. After that, I saw that the business was growing very quickly, and we were building more and more infrastructure for the US government. So AWS Intelligence was a program that I started about 6 years ago. And what I realized very quickly was we had to hire staff at a rapid pace to help serve and operate our government regions. We stood up this program, and it was kind of a training program, but it was also to help take folks that were not familiar with the government space and bring them into something that we were building for our government customers. What we've done is we've expanded this program quite a bit. It started with just 20 people, and now we have hundreds of people in the program, and we're continuing to introduce new concepts, new program training capabilities, and all kinds of new things to make us more successful in the future. Over the past 9 years, I've been part of this amazing journey with AWS, and we've grown quite a bit, as you could imagine. We are just at the very beginning. As the private sector really started using the cloud, the public sector is right behind. We can allow the government to move so fast, faster than they've ever moved before. And as technology grows and innovation grows within our space, we allow all types of customers, whether they're public or private sector, to innovate very quickly. So if you're interested in the bleeding edge of technology and working really closely with customers to meet all of their needs, this is a great place to be.